Do you want to build a business? Then you are in the right video. I know you already have a capital, but you don't know how can you build your small business. The first thing which you need to do is choose business idea which you want to venture into it. Let's say, is it about services or are you about to offer goods? This idea may be flooded in the market, but what are you going to do in a different way? After you have chosen your idea, the second thing which you need to do is look for a suitable location. Don't go, for example, let's say you want to open, like, let's say, that business which you know, let's say, for example, you want to open a bookshop. This bookshop, you want to open it in the interior place, where there is no schools around. No, you must be able to look for a suitable location. Maybe next to if you want, for example, you want to start a bookshop, open it next to a next Ministry of Education, next to a secondary school, next to a primary school gate, things like this. And I tell you that this business was of yours, it is going to pick. By the way, did you subscribe? Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Let's get into the third point. What do you need to do? You need to hone your idea. Is this idea of mine going to work or it will fail? Sit down, brainstorm on this idea. Go to friends who are in this kind of business which you are intending to venture into it. Do a comparing. This one by you go look the one who is already in this market. He tell you what are some of the challenges he or she is facing. And by brainstorming, the next thing which you need to do is to avoid disturbances from the officers or these. You need to register. You need to register, not now and then when you say, for example, the councils, these people for the permit, you are closing up your doors. No, they just, this your business. Is it? I hope you are going to do a legit business. Why don't you register it? Go ahead, register it. Get that license, get that permit, and believe and trust in God. This business of yours, it is going to work. Apply for the licenses, the permit. Renew it if it is renewable. And by doing these things, it is going to work for you. The next thing is you need to open a business account for your business. What do I mean? Don't mix the business money to the personal money. For example, here in Kenya, you will get that someone has a business. He does not differentiate between the business money and the personal money. They are mixing. Even if a friend sent him money for, let's say, for a meat for her, it mixes. He does not be able to separate. And I think a company like Safaricom is able to offer this kind of services. You can have a pochi la biashara, the till number. You can go ahead and open a business account whereby you can enhance or you can grow your credit worthiness, whereby after some months you can be able to acquire loans which will help you to boost that your business. The next thing which you need to do is you do a teamwork. Maybe it's a partnership. Come together with your employees, tell them this is what we are going to work as a team. Don't work as an individual. Or if you are intending to open a sole proprietary business, well and good, and I really support that. And by doing these things will start working for you. And the next thing is believing in God. You're going to start making money, and you come and thank me later. Hi Alex, and you will tell me you really helped me with that video, which you made. May I know which business idea are you intending to start in the comment section? And by doing that, go ahead to like this video. By the way, thank you for watching me. Like, comment, share. And if you are returning subscriber, thank you for your eyeballs. And if you are watching me for the first time, you are in the best place. Share such kind of video about investment, businesses, and how to thrive in this harsh economy. Let's meet in our next video. Bye.